Happy birthday to you. Say Dada. Happy birthday, dear Keita. The accordions, baby. You got to put in the work.
It's special. It's so special. Yay.
That is the best pound cake, baby. Okay.
You bitch.
Yeah.
I'm going to get them tomorrow.
I said I didn't know which ones, but I was like, look, do y'all have gift cards?
That's a good one.
Yes,
Oh, that is awesome. You know what?
No, I hope that's the right one.
My color.
I think that is 3.5 in, right?
I have no idea.
I think that is, but I got the receipt so you could exchange it.
I was just thinking about it.
Because I knew you ain't never
my
get it.
head hurt from the smile. Y'all have really made my day so special.
You deserve it.
Jeez.
Okay. Oh, no worries. I was just super dry. I got you. I got water right now.
30-something, so.
I know that's only 30 something. And something.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
If you want a picture, just let me know. I got the light, bitches. Baby.
Hey guys, it's my mother's birthday. Happy birthday to my mother. Good morning. Okay, so first of all, y'all, it is freezing in Atlanta. I think this week we will only get to maybe the highs of 40s. But when I tell you, unlike a lot of other years, like it's literally the sun has been out consistently even within the freaking freezing. So I'm so grateful for that. I'm so grateful for some sun coming in and making these days just a little bit brighter, you know. But welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. It is Monday, June January something, and we're headed into Martin Luther King weekend, which is also my grandmother's 80th birthday. Super excited about that. And of course, I'm going to take you guys along with me this weekend, but I am getting ready to go into the office. Okay, yeah. So feeling so blessed this morning, so great. I just had some great affirmations that I repeated. They got me pumped up for today. Did a little movement, just really staying focused on choosing happiness and joy and the things that I have and that I'm the blessing. So I'm grateful. Just checking in. Hope you guys are going to have a great week, and I'll check in a little bit later. Okay, sorry about that. I love me some Indie, especially that song. So, what's up, guys? I just pulled up and get ready to drop off some orders and head to the office for today to do a little planning, strategic planning for the businesses, as well as get myself organized because I am traveling this weekend to celebrate my grandmother's 80th fucking birthday. Martin Luther King, her saying visionaries, okay? So I'm headed to drop off some orders and I'll be right back. Is it on? Yep, it's a video. Ready? Go.